Don't need perfect days, don't need picture smiles. I need someone who stay when it's rough for a while. When I don't feel strong, when I lose control, don't walk out on me, just hold me close. Now